In today's video, we have a close call where somebody gets extremely angry, and then we also have two people getting in motorcycle crashes. Now, this first guy that got into a motorcycle crash, he's actually pretty chill about it, a little weird, honestly. And then we also have somebody else that's super duper chill after a crash. Now, just remember, let your insurance handle all these things, okay? Pay attention to the road, focus on what's important, and if something bad does happen, that's why we have gear and proper motorcycle insurance. With that said, let's get to class. All right, so we're moving on with this one in Pensacola, Florida. Same pattern. Our lane is open. Watch out. This person might want to switch in here. Careful. Don't be hanging out in blind spots. He's doing good with the cornering, but we're in a blind spot. This is very dangerous. And, oh, we're going to get into our lane.
Hey, what the are you doing?
I think we already talked about this one.
Put the phone down.
Yeah, I think we did. He did good. He did good. It was just a scary situation.
Put your
Probably didn't see you. Probably didn't see you.
Put your phone down.
I don't know. I don't want to eat on camera, but I mean, if there's anything, you might want to come up.
She's on her phone and she almost hit me. Are you serious? Dude, that's my life she's with. Did she almost hit me? Yeah, she swerved in my lane.
No, she didn't. She was trying to merge.
Corner.
I think that was hilarious. The dude's freaking out, and then the guy in the truck right here is like, well, did she hit you? And he's like, I hate it when Nikki says that kind of stuff. I get all pissed about something. They're like, well, did it happen? I'm like, no, but damn, got me.
And I got it all recorded. Do you want to see the recording? You know, as a matter of fact, call Escambia County. Because, okay, we'll call.
That fly woosah guy, he's not doing woosah, woosah, woosah.
Camera.
Move on.
Are you kidding me, bro?
So he went, got into a parking lot to allow the person to go to get behind him. Okay.
Yeah, you're a clown, bro.
And now he's getting mad at this person. Oh my gosh. You're the clown. All right, so here we go. We're riding. Side of the vehicle, watch out for that. We're kind of bouncing up into. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Got that on GoPro!
Guy's pretty happy. Hey, it's a ruckus, isn't it? That's a highly customized ruckus. It looks good.
What the hell was that?
Where did you come from?
I come in the lane! How do you not see me? You're turning out of here!
I didn't see you.
Yeah, no,
Were
dude!
you in the other lane?
No!
What did we talk about?
I got it all on GoPro!
Inattentional blindness, motion-induced blindness. People are only looking for other cars, not motorcycles.
I'll give you my policy.
Oh, it's an Armada Recon, not a
I don't know.
not a ruckus.
That's the damage later.
Hey, he was a good sport. He was a good sport. That's a cool little bike. That's a cool little bike. Nikki, you want one? That would be fun. All right. Just don't get in a crash, please. So let's take a look at this. All right, so we're riding down the street. We're in good position. We're not doing anything crazy. We're doing what we typically would do. So we got Mr. Side of the vehicle, and it looks like a little gremlin over here. Side of the vehicle, obviously, they're gonna want to get into the lane right here. Okay, so we should be in orange stage, kind of prepped and ready for anything dumb. Okay, they're now going. Now, here's the thing. If you orient yourself to the situation, you know that this is not a turn lane. So they're not going to just get into the turn lane and go. Okay, make that a little bit easier. This is not a turn lane. So they're not going to get into this turn lane and go. This is the only lane they can get into. This is the first available lane. There we go. That's what I'm trying to say. First available lane is where we're at. So that's where they're going to go. So in this situation, since they are still doing this and they're going to go, adapt as best you can, navigate as best you can, and move out of the way. This person's going to do whatever they want to do, which is that. Now, what you could do is apply brake pressure to get them to go in, or you can swerve and do this. Now, my thing that I would like to do is this. I would like to decelerate, only because I don't know if they're anticipating to do that. So if I swerve into that, we're just still going to meet right here. So if you decelerate, let the dum-dum in, and then you make a choice, that's a good choice to make. That's what I would do. So anyways, let's get into here. Pretty scary. Got hit. And what's the excuse? Yeah, I would have reduced speed too, Ken.
Woo! Got that on GoPro! Holy what? What the hell was that?
Where did you come from? Look at the road. So that person came out of this apartment complex. The only thing blocking his vision was this huge hedge. But it's a wide open road. Nobody's coming. Literally just did not see him. Now, you could say green on green on green with all the shrubberies. I'm losing brain cells right now. There's no real excuse other than he maybe wasn't looking or unintentional blindness. All right, let's move on with this one. You know I love having my phone on the handlebars so I can see what turns are coming up, utilizing my GPS. The best way I think you could do that is using the Rokform mount. I use it for my mountain bike, the little FTRs, and then also the big boy FTR that I ride. And guys, links in the description for a discount. Check it out. You're gonna like it, and I'll be seeing you around. All right, here we go. So we're right behind this vehicle. I don't like being in this position because of that. Thankfully, nothing crazy bad happened. Ooh. I don't want to get sandwiched between a car.
I think you just hit my tire. I didn't feel anything other than just the push, but
I am so sorry. That scared the out of me.
yeah, imagine me. Are you alright though?
Yeah, dude, I'm
Look at the position he's in. Did he back up like that?
I don't think you did any damage. I just felt the push. Anything in your car?
No, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all my fault. My bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
all right, cool. So what I was saying with this...
racing.
What I was saying with this is that I don't like this position because if a vehicle went crazy fast, I'm going to get hit and I'm going to start bouncing around and then I'm going to get smashed in between the vehicles. That is my biggest fear, and it happens a lot. So what I would be doing in this situation is either be off on this side or off on this side. More than likely, I'd be off on the right because if somebody is hauling ass and not paying attention, they're going to choose an escape path that is best for them, and they're not going to choose the escape path that goes into rocks. They're going to choose the escape path that goes over here. I'm hoping. Now, if they decide to just slam the brakes and then skid and then run into the back of this vehicle, I'm hoping I'm only going to get clipped. I don't want to be right here. This is still a good spot, but I want to be over here. And it always changes depending on the road. So if the curb and everything was over here, and this was an open lane, I would be over here. So that's my justification. It might not be the correct one. That's just what I would do. But I would definitely be off to the sides. But you guys can't even see. You can't even see what I'm clicking. All right. So what I was trying to say, it's a long day, everybody. It's a long day. What I was saying is I'd be off to the sides. I don't want to get smashed in between here. Renzzi, fix this up for me. It gets smashed between here. Hopefully the person that is not paying attention is going to swerve and find the best escape path to the left because it's an open lane. They're not going to want to run into the rocks, okay? So this is still a good spot. This is still a good spot. I would choose this spot because the person going crazy and smashing into the back of this vehicle might try to swerve to the left because it's open. That's my justification. If this was all rock and this was the open lane, I would probably be over here. I just definitely don't want to be right here. That is a bad spot. Thankfully, nothing crazy bad happened. But this right here is why I want a lane filter. I want the option to because of this right here. But since I can't, what I'm going to do is definitely be right here. Who's in charge of the screen?
I don't think you did it.
I was drawing.
You just hit my tire. I didn't feel anything other than just the push.
Yeah, it played and it was getting all screwed up. And who put the marker on the wrong screen too?
Are you alright though?
Yeah, dude, I'm good.
Yeah, I don't think you did any damage. I just felt the push. Anything in your car?
No, I'm Good.
Freaking
good?
rookies, man.
Okay.
Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.